All right, guys, 2022 Diamond Icons Baseball is back in the house with Ram Team Single Box Break number 6. Thank you for joining in. Thank you again for your support of Firehand Cards. We got 3 boxes remaining. These are the 3 boxes remaining from the case we opened yesterday when we did break 5. We'll number the boxes left to right, 1, 2, and 3. Also left to right, 4, 5, and 6. All right, roll the die. We'll determine how many times you randomize a list of participants and teams and boxes. This is a 28 spot break with 2 combos. Let's get it. Alright, well, we never randomized just once, but for the purpose of selecting the box, we rolled a 1, so this will be the box we use. Put these 2 boxes aside for now. But we'll add 1 to our next roll. It'll be 1 plus. Alright, 1 plus 2 makes 3. Alright, orange bottom, orange top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Go blue, top, orange W, bottom. All right, Angels top, Yankees bottom. 3 clicks. I did 3 on this one, right? Yeah. All right, 3 clicks. 1, 2, and 3. White Sox top, Athletics bottom. Go blue, White Sox. Jaw Rock with the Red Sox. Scott Yearsley has the Padres. Trudes has the Guardians, Cardinals, and Twins. Oren has the remaining teams, including the Angels, Blue Jays, Cubs, Rays, Royals, Mets, Dodgers, Astros, Orioles, Yankees, Giants, Rangers, Brewers, and Diamondbacks, Pirates, Braves, Tigers, Marlins, and Rockies, Reds, Nationals, Mariners, Phillies, Athletics. All right. Good luck, guys. Those are your squads for this one. Good luck, everybody. All right, first up is a preeminent pieces, I think they call these. Number to 10, Ryan Mountcastle. Baltimore Orioles, Warren. Okay. Got a red bordered horizontal auto, Dale Murphy Braves, number to 5. Let's go into Oren. Okay. Number to 25. Got a relic auto here, 25 medals, and athletics going to Oren. I refuse to call that jersey a jersey patch. That's jersey piping. This is also jersey piping. Number to 25 for the Minnesota Twins, David Ortiz. Yes, Twins going Trudes. For the Braves, John Smoltz, number to 25. Going to Oren. Silver Ink to 25, Rafi Devers, Red Sox. Going to Jaw Rock. Got a red ink auto here, number to 25. Eddie Murray. The Orioles, Warren. For the Chicago Cubs. Whoops, I got a redemption behind that. There you go. Chicago Cubs, Ryan Sandberg. Going to Oren. All right, Oren, contact Tops on this one. They're not going to send you this guy. They'll send you somebody else. But it does say Rays on it, so it's going to you. We have essentially Chris Benoit deck I have existence here at Firehand. Let's see. You know what? This one I'm going to one touch. Last card of the break is a red bordered auto number 5 of Mariano Rivera for the Yankees. Going to Oren. Number 3 of 5. Nice hit. All right. All right, guys, here's your recap. Thank you, everybody, for jumping in on this Box of Diamond Icons 2022 Box Break 6. We'll have Box Break 7 available for you guys tomorrow morning. All right, we got a preeminent pieces number 10 Ryan Mountcastle for the Orioles. We got a redemption of that guy. Autographed hits number 25 John Smoltz. Red ink Eddie Murray. Silver ink Raffy Devers. Clear Ryan Sandberg. That was 19 of 25. Got a pair of jersey autos here to 25, Matt Olson and David Ortiz. Got a red border auto to 5, Dale Murphy, and a red border auto to 5 of Mariano Rivera. All right, guys, I'll do it for the break. Thank you for joining in. Thank you guys again for your support of Firehand cards, and congrats again to our lucky hitters in break. Until next one.